You're watching USA News Hub, your home for breaking headlines, trending sports stories, and exclusive updates from across the nation. We've seen him soar through the air. We've watched him hit impossible shots. We've called him the greatest basketball player of all time. But what if I told you? Michael Jordan's most powerful move didn't happen on a basketball court. No crowd. No buzzer. No championship trophy. Just doors opening. For families who had nowhere else to turn. This is the story of how Michael Jordan is changing lives. Far beyond basketball. For decades, Michael Jordan's name has been synonymous with greatness. 6 NBA championships. 5 MVP awards. A global brand. An icon recognized in every corner of the world. But today, Jordan is redefining what legacy truly means. Not through points. Not through rings. But through compassion. Without fanfare or flashing cameras. Michael Jordan opened the doors to something extraordinary. His 4th free medical clinic. In North Carolina. Not a business venture. Not a publicity stunt. A lifeline. Round Pushpin, Wilmington, North Carolina. Where it all comes full circle. The new Michael Jordan Family Medical Clinic is located at 416 North 30th Street in Wilmington. Jordan's hometown. The place where his journey began. And now, the place where he's giving back in the most meaningful way. This isn't a symbolic gesture. The clinic is 7,300 square feet. With 12 fully equipped patient rooms, AT operates 5 days a week, providing primary care services to uninsured and underserved families. Families who once had to choose between paying rent, buying food, or seeing a doctor. Now, they don't have to choose. Red Heart Healthcare without fear. For millions of Americans, healthcare isn't just expensive. It's intimidating. Bills. Paperwork. Appointments months away. Jordan's clinics remove those barriers. No insurance required. No judgment. No turning people away. Just care. Woman health worker, community health workers. Care that goes beyond medicine. What makes this clinic special isn't just the medical treatment, it's the people. Staffed with dedicated community health workers. The clinic helps patients connect with a local food assistance, a housing resources, a mental health support, a transportation services. It treats the whole person, not just the symptoms. Handshake partnership with Novant Health. This life-changing initiative was built in partnership with Novant Health, a non-profit healthcare organization. Together, they're addressing one of America's most urgent issues, healthcare inequality. Mantelpiece clock. This mission didn't start overnight. Michael Jordan's healthcare philanthropy didn't begin in 2025. It started back in 2019. Hospital. The first step. Charlotte, North Carolina. In 2019, Jordan funded 2 medical clinics in Charlotte. The goal was simple. Provide quality health care to people who had been overlooked. The results were immediate. Patients showed up. Lives changed. Communities responded. Chart increasing success that spoke for itself. Those first clinics didn't just survive. They thrived. Thousands of patients received care. Many for the first time in their lives. That success planted a seed. Moneybag. A $10 million commitment. 2024. In 2024, Michael Jordan took things even further. He donated $10 million to Novant Health. Not for profit. Not for recognition. But to expand access. Seedling expansion into Wilmington. That donation helped fund Jordan's first Wilmington clinic, which opened just last year. And the impact was staggering. Bar chart. Real numbers, real lives. In its first 9 months, the Wilmington clinic served Nearly 1,800 patients. Here's the most powerful detail. Many of those patients had never received primary care before. Not once. Pensive face, imagine that reality. Imagine living your entire life without a regular doctor, no checkups, no preventive care, no one to catch problems early. That was reality for thousands of people. Until now. Hospital, the fourth clinic, a promise kept. The newly opened clinic is Jordan's fourth in North Carolina, and each one is a promise kept, a promise that success means nothing unless you bring others with you. Brain, why healthcare access matters. Healthcare isn't a luxury, it's the foundation of opportunity. A healthy child can learn. A healthy parent can work. A healthy community can thrive. Michael Jordan understands this. GOAT from GOAT to greatest human impact. Fans argue endlessly about championships, statistics, GOAT debates, but this transcends sports. This is about humanity. Speech balloon, Michael Jordan's quiet approach. Jordan isn't holding press conferences, he's not branding these clinics. With his face everywhere, he's letting the work speak. And the work is loud. Globe showing Europe, Africa, a model for athletes everywhere. Michael Jordan is showing what athlete influence can look like at its highest level. Not endorsements. Impact. Puzzle piece addressing healthcare disparities. Uninsured families face a delayed diagnoses. Preventable illnesses. A financial devastation. Jordan's clinics interrupt that cycle. Early care saves lives. And dignity matters. Red heart stories that never make headlines. A mother who finally gets treatment. A child receiving vaccinations. A senior managing chronic illness. These stories don't trend on social media, but they matter. Basketball, Jordan's greatest assist. Basketball fans talk about assists. This might be the greatest one of Michael Jordan's life. Wilmington raised Michael Jordan. Now, Michael Jordan is lifting Wilmington. That's legacy. Greatness isn't measured by what you achieve for yourself, it's measured by what you do for others. Once you've made it, Michael Jordan has nothing left to prove. And yet, he keeps giving. Long after the highlights fade, long after the debates end, families in North Carolina will still be walking into clinics that exist because one man cared enough to step up, not as a basketball legend, but as a human being. Michael Jordan, still changing the game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story that's shaping America and the world. We'll see you in the next update.